Ever pondered how crucial self-defense can be for solo female travelers? Picture this. You're exploring a bustling local market in a foreign land, or perhaps you're navigating the winding cobblestone streets of a quaint historic town. Suddenly you sense a potential threat. It could be anything: an overly persistent vendor, an uncomfortable crowd, or even an individual with ill intentions. In such scenarios, self-defense knowledge becomes not just a safety tool, but a lifesaver. Learning self-defense techniques doesn't merely equip you to handle such situations. It also fosters a sense of confidence and security. You're not just a tourist anymore, you're a prepared traveler, ready to face the world. With every move you master, every strategy you learn, you're not just defending yourself, you're asserting your right to explore, to adventure, and to live freely. So, what self-defense techniques can be most effective for solo female travelers? Let's delve into that now. First and foremost, the technique that precedes all others is awareness. Awareness is not just about seeing, it's about perceiving, understanding, and anticipating. It's about being in tune with your surroundings, whether it's a bustling city street, a quiet country road, or a crowded train station. Being alert can make all the difference. Pay attention to the people around you, their actions, their body language. Listen to your intuition. If something or someone makes you feel uncomfortable, trust that feeling. It's better to be safe than sorry. Awareness also means identifying potential risks. Are you walking in a poorly lit area? Are there people around who seem out of place or behaving oddly? Recognizing these potential threats gives you the opportunity to avoid them, to change your route, to seek help if necessary. Remember, awareness is your first line of defense. It's the power you have before anything else. And it's the power you always have, no matter where you are or what you're doing. Another powerful technique is the art of de-escalation. This strategy is all about keeping a situation from escalating into a dangerous one. It's not about winning an argument or proving a point. Rather, it's about maintaining a calm and composed demeanor in the face of potential danger. Imagine finding yourself in a heated exchange. The key is to stay calm and confident. Your voice can be a powerful tool in these situations. Speak clearly, maintain eye contact, and use open body language to communicate non-aggressively. It's also crucial to listen. Sometimes a person just wants to be heard. By listening, you can identify their concerns and address them accordingly. Avoid confrontational behavior. Antagonizing a situation can often lead to escalation, which is what we're trying to prevent. Remember, the goal isn't to dominate or control, but to diffuse the situation and safely remove yourself from it. De-escalation can often prevent a situation from escalating into violence. But what if a situation does escalate? This is where physical self-defense techniques come in. First, let's discuss the palm heel strike. It's a simple yet effective move that can catch an aggressor off guard. To perform this move, you'll want to aim for the nose or chin. Extend your arm straight out, bend your wrist back, and strike with the heel of your palm. Remember, it's all about accuracy, not strength. Next, we have the knee strike. This technique is especially useful when an attacker is close. Bring your knee upwards, aiming for the groin area. It's a vulnerable spot that could provide you with a valuable moment to escape. Once again, it's not about power, but rather about hitting the right spot. Lastly, let's take a look at the elbow strike. If an attacker comes from behind, this could be your go-to move. Rotate your body to the side, and with a swift motion, strike backward with your elbow, aiming for the chest or stomach. Remember, the key here is to use the element of surprise to your advantage. In all these techniques, it's important to remember that the goal is not to overpower the attacker, but to create an opportunity to escape. Each of these moves is designed to target vulnerable areas, causing enough discomfort or pain to the attacker to allow you a chance to get away. It's crucial to practice these techniques so that they become second nature. The more familiar you are with the movements, the more likely you are to use them effectively, if heaven forbid you ever need to. Also, bear in mind that while these techniques can be useful, they should only be used as a last resort. Prioritize de-escalation and avoidance whenever possible. After all, the best fights are the ones we avoid altogether. These techniques can be life-saving tools in your self-defense arsenal. Finally, let's talk about self-defense tools and gadgets. These handy devices can provide an invaluable layer of security when you're on the move. First off, we have personal alarms. These compact, easy-to-carry devices emit a piercing sound that can attract attention in an emergency, potentially scaring off would-be attackers. Next, pepper spray. It's a non-lethal tool that temporarily blinds and incapacitates an aggressor, buying you precious time to escape. Safety apps are also a must-have. They offer features like real-time location sharing, emergency contacts, and quick-dial emergency numbers. Some even have community features, allowing you to share safety alerts with others in your area. And let's not forget about tactical pens. Discreet yet powerful, these pens can break glass, serve as a writing tool, and double as a self-defense weapon. Remember, these tools are not to incite fear, but to empower you. With the right tools at your disposal, you can travel with an added sense of security. So, we have discussed a range of self-defense techniques today. We started off by understanding the importance of self-defense, especially for solo female travelers. From there, we delved into the power of awareness, recognizing that being alert and mindful of one's surroundings is the first line of defense. Next, we explored the art of de-escalation, which is the ability to diffuse potentially harmful situations through calm and assertive communication. We also covered a variety of physical self-defense techniques, from simple yet effective moves to more advanced strategies, all designed to help you protect yourself if needed. Lastly, we discussed the use of self-defense tools and gadgets, which can provide an extra layer of security during your travels. These include items such as personal alarms, pepper sprays, and even smartphone apps designed for personal safety. Remember, your safety is paramount. Equip yourself with these techniques and tools and embrace your solo travels with confidence and peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe by pressing button below.